Einstein's spacetime is a geometric ghost. For over a century, the mainstream scientific community has propagated a massive intellectual deception, telling the world that the iconic formula E equals mc² is definitive proof of a four-dimensional, bending space-time continuum. They turned abstract geometry into a physical god. But even before Einstein, Isaac Newton left physics incomplete. Newton gave us the math for inertia and force, but he completely failed to define what mass actually is. He postulated it as a mysterious, inherent, unexplained property of matter. Today, we fix both errors. We strip E equals mc² of its mystical geometric interpretation and give physics a real physical foundation. All of these derivations are fully detailed in our comprehensive monograph, Material Space Theory, the collapse of the theories of Einstein, Bohr, and Maxwell. The link to purchase the book on Amazon is available directly in the video description and in the pinned comment below. Stop bowing to geometric illusions. Let us look at the real objective mechanics. In material space theory, the vacuum is not empty nothingness. It is a continuous material spatial substrate. Matter is an active, continuous process of space absorption. A stationary particle acts as a perfect spherical spatial sink, drawing the medium radially inward at the local escape velocity. Because the inflow is perfectly symmetrical, the net momentum flux cancels out identically. A static body experiences zero net drag. It rests peacefully in the absolute medium. But what happens when an external agent forces this baryonic sink to accelerate? Because the spatial medium has a finite relaxation time governed by the native speed of light, c, the inflow cannot instantly adapt. Spherical symmetry breaks. In front of the moving body, the core physically pushes into the oncoming medium, increasing the inflow velocity. Behind the body, the core moves away from the space, attempting to fill it. This retardation creates a severe directional asymmetry in the momentum flux. By integrating this asymmetric momentum flux across the core interaction boundary, a real physical reaction force emerges. When we map the physical rest mass to the structural parameters of this space absorption process, the hydrodynamic reaction force evaluates exactly to minus mass times acceleration. Inertia is not an inherent miracle. It is a real physical drag force arising from the medium itself. To maintain acceleration, an external agent must apply a force that precisely overcomes this spatial momentum reaction. F equals ma is born, completely free of Newton's unexplained assumptions. Now, let us target the holy grail of relativity, E equals mc². In material space theory, an elementary particle is modeled as a localized topological defect, a disclination in the micro-rotation field of a nonlinear elastodynamic medium. The total rest energy of this defect is simply the sum of its static torsional strain energy within the core and its dynamic internal harmonic oscillation at the Compton frequency. By enforcing action quantization over one complete cycle, the dynamic energy reduces cleanly to E equals h bar omega sub c. When this localized defect translates slowly through the absolute frame of the medium, its movement enforces a spatial modulation on the field configurations. In classical continuum mechanics, the field momentum density of an elastic wave is bound to its energy flux density divided by c². Integrating this wave momentum field over the infinite volume of material space yields the total mechanical momentum carried by the moving structure. When we match this wave momentum to Newton's definition of momentum, the velocity terms cancel out. Inertial mass is merely a measure of the total localized strain and oscillatory energy divided by the square of the native wave speed of the space substrate. E equals mc² is purely mechanical. The mainstream academic community will call this impossible because it threatens their dogmatic, geometric structures. They will demand the mathematics, and we are ready for them. If you are tired of probabilistic ghosts and unphysical fairy tales, hit the subscribe button right now to join us in reclaiming physical realism. The first part of our lecture is complete. In the second part of this video, the voice narration will stop completely. We invite physicists, mathematicians, and independent researchers to examine the exact page-by-page mathematical derivations directly from our published monograph. Secure your copy of Material Space Theory on Amazon using the link below, or independently verify the complete proofs hosted on Zenodo and academia.edu. Subscribe now and let us look directly at the mathematical reality.